Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we have got this challenging math problem. A plus B plus C equals to 4. A squared plus B squared plus C squared equals to 10. A cubed plus B cubed plus C cubed equals to 22. Then the question mark is what is going to be the value for a power 4 plus b power 4 plus c power 4. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. The very first thing I am going to do is I'm going to call this first equation, I'm going to label it as equation number 1, this as equation number 2, and this third one as equation number 3. And here's our very initial step. Since we want to find the value of a power 4 plus b power 4 plus c power 4 over here, so we are going to take a square of this equation number 2. And here I have copied down equation number 2 right up here, the left hand side. Since we want to take the square on this one, let's go ahead and let's take care of the square. Since this is a trinomial and we are taking the square, so we'll be using this formula as you can see over here. So let's go ahead and do that one. So we got a square and then we have a square of that one plus b square and then square of that one, and likewise c square and then square plus 2 times a square b square plus b square c square plus c square a square. And we know on the left hand side the value of a square plus b square plus c square is 10. So this is going to become 10 square. And the right hand side we use the rules of exponent. So that's going to give us a power 4 plus b power 4 plus c power 4 plus 2 times a square b square plus b square c square plus c square a square. So on the left hand side this simply becomes 10 square is 100, and we want to isolate a power 4 plus b power 4 plus c power 4. So we have to be a little bit careful. A power 4 plus b power 4 plus c power 4 plus, and I have copied down the same stuff. Let's go ahead and move this part on the left hand side. So I can write 100 minus 2 times a square b square plus b square c square plus c square a square, and on the right hand side we have only a power 4 plus b power 4 plus c power 4. And I am going to call this one as an equation number 4. So thus our goal is to find the value somehow of this a square b square plus b square c square plus c square a square. Then we will be done. And here's our next step. Let's take a square of our equation number 1. And here I have copied down the left hand side of equation number 1. Let's go ahead and take the square of that one, which is equal to, and by the way we'll be using this formula once again as we did previously. So let's take care of that one. So we're gonna get a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times ab plus bc plus ca. So here on the left hand side we know from equation number 1 a plus b plus c is 4. So I'm going to replace this one by 4 square equal to, and here we can see a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 10. So I'm going to replace that one by 10, and then we got plus 2 times AB plus BC plus CA. So let's go ahead and simplify. We got a 16 on the left hand side equals to 10 plus the same thing. And now let's move this 10 on the left hand side. We got 16 and this become negative 10 equals to 2 times AB plus BC plus CA. So the left hand side becomes 6 equal to same quantity on the right hand side, and now we are going to isolate this part. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2. So therefore we got AB plus BC plus CA turns out to be 3, and I am going to call this equation as number 5. All right. And in this next step, let's go ahead and multiply equation number 1 and 2. We are going to multiply the left hand side first. A plus B plus C times A square plus B square plus C square. Let's go ahead and distribute, okay? So that's what we are going to do, and we are going to get A power 3 plus B power 3 plus C power 3 plus AB square plus AC square plus BA square plus BC square plus CA square plus CB square. Now let's look at this. A plus B plus C is equal to 4. I'm going to replace this one by 4. A square plus B square plus C square is 10. So I'm going to replace this one by 10. And finally, A cube plus B cube plus C cube equals to 22. So I'm going to replace that one by 22. So this could be written as on the left hand side is going to be a 4 times 10 equals to 22 plus AB square plus AC square plus BA square plus BC square plus CA square plus CB square. And here we got 4 times 10 is 40 on the left hand side and the same quantity on the right hand side. Let's move this 22 on the left hand side, so we can write 40 minus 22 is equal to this whole thing, AB square plus AC square plus BA square plus BC square plus CA square plus CB square. So the left hand side has simplified to 18 and the right hand side is same. So thus we got an equation AB square plus AC square plus BA square plus BC square plus CA square plus CB square equals to 18, and I am going to call this one as equation number 6. And in this next step we are going to multiply equations 1 and 5. Here's equation number 1 and here is equation number 5. Let's go ahead and multiply them out. And here I have already copied down the left hand sides of equations 1 and 5. Let's go ahead and multiply them out. So we are going to distribute, so that is going to give us, we have to be very careful, that's going to give us A square B plus AB C plus CA square plus AB square plus b square c plus abc plus abc once again, and plus bc square, and plus finally c square a. And as we can see on the right hand side, this ABC, this ABC, and this ABC, we can combine these like terms. And on the left hand side, A plus B plus C, we know that this is 4. I'm going to replace it by 4. And this AB plus BC plus CA, this is equal to 3. So I'm going to replace this one by 3. And here on the left hand side, I have replaced these by 4 and 3. So this simply becomes 12. And here I combine the like terms. So this turns out to be a 3 times A times B times C. And over here, this whole thing, all these stuff is same as equation number 6, which is equal to 18. So I am going to replace that one by 18. So we can replace this one by 18. Now let's move 18 on the left hand side. So we got 12 minus 18 equal to 3abc. So we got negative 6 equal to 3abc. Let's isolate ABC. So I'm going to divide both sides by 3. So that means ABC turns out to be negative 2. And I am going to call this equation number 7. And here's our next step. We are almost done. Let's take a square of this equation 5 over here. And here I have copied down the left hand side of equation number 5. Let's take the square, and which is equal to, and by the way, we will be using this formula once again, this one, x plus y plus z square. So this is going to give us right now a square b square plus b square c square plus c square a square, all right, plus 2 times, again in the parentheses is going to be a b square c plus a square bc plus finally a b c square. And as we can see, the left hand side, AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 3. So I'm going to replace this one by 3. So this could be written as 3 square equal to, on the right hand side, we got A square B square plus B square C square plus C square A square plus 2 times, here if we look at these 3 terms, we can see that A, B, C could be factored out. If we bring A, B, C outside, we got A plus B plus C. So the left hand side becomes 9 equal to A square B square plus b square c square plus c square a square plus, over here as we can see, we know our ABC from equation number 7. We can replace it by -2, and this a plus b plus c from equation 1 is 4. So we are going to replace that one by 4. So this could be written as 2 times -2 times 4. Let's simplify furthermore. So we got 9 equal to a square b square c square, and then plus c square a square. and this simply becomes negative 16. Let's move negative 16 on the left hand side. So we got 9 plus 16 equal to a square b square plus b square c square plus c square a square. So thus we got a square b square plus b square c square plus c square a square turns out to be 25. And here is our final step. So thus our equation number 4, this is our equation number 4 becomes, and here I have copied down this equation number 4, and as you can see this part, a square b square plus b square c square plus c square a square, we figured out the value of that one in our previous step, that is 25. So I'm going to replace that one by 25. So we are going to have a power 4 plus b power 4 plus c power 4 equals to 100 minus 2 times 25. All right. And that's going to give us 100 minus 50, that is equal to 50. Thus our answer turns out to be a power 4 plus b power 4 plus c power 4 is 50. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.